Greetings, people's folks and space aliens. I triple dog dare you to do this drop. This is Fort something or another. I am on the Cannon Valley Trail heading to Welch Village, and I have my old harness on with the camera's tilted all the way back. But I have my old harness on, and I'm going to be trying that with the other one. I have them both. We're going to do a shootout with the two harnesses. And I have a third harness I didn't know I had at home. Chest harness for action cams. So we're going to check it out. And hopefully it's going to be a fun day. Alright, here's Aquaman with the ACTIVEON harness. Problem is, I always feel like I have to brake so freaking hard. Woo! That's easy to clear, by the way.
Well, my intentions this day were to shoot all the harnesses, at least for this weekend. Most of you probably don't realize this was the day of my crash. So I had to kind of reinvent my thought process here and come back around at a different angle to do the chest harness shootout.
And I've also got this. Yay. And a little bit of this. Yay. But I'm recovering slowly. And I want to do a little update. I was actually doing this when I was at Welch. We'll talk about this later maybe. Here's my standard harness. And I realized I have two harnesses. One of these is an ACTIVEON. The other one is a newer. I did not realize I had three harnesses. So I was trying to, shoot out with those. That's my front pivot thing. It keeps falling off, and I said, the heck with it. So hopefully we can get back out and ride some. Here I am at Welch Village. Last Friday that they're open, August 30 whatever, I don't know. Maybe it's the 32nd today. We're not really sure. But I am running my old ACTIVEON, no, not my ACTIVEON harness. I'm running my newer harness that I bought ages ago and never used it with a GoPro. It links up real nice. I have it tilted forward a little bit, but we're going to test it out today and shoot it out with the other harnesses, my Garmin harness and the ACTIVEON harness that I've got. And we're going to see what they look like all together. This is what I was working on before I crashed on my epic crash day about 6 weeks ago. So, and Aquaman's open, so we're going to do that, and I'm talking too much. Let's just ride. All right, so this is Aqua Death. Last time the camera went like that, so we're going to have a blunders reel. I'm going to do this one more time on this old harness, and I'll switch back to my regular. Again, this is just the shootout still. Whoa! Jittery! I didn't do so well on that one. Woo! This upper part of this trail is so awesome. Last time I manualed this thing like nobody's business. Probably didn't see it because the thing went. All right, Aquaman. Aquaman. Fly those jumps. Ooh. Oh yeah. A little rugged. It might help to get in a good gear. Hello. Remember the lesson. Manual it. Oh yeah. Woo. I manualed the. Woo. That was crap. I manualed the crap out of that thing every time.
Folks, that pretty much wraps up the harness shootout. Again, this is my Garmin standard harness. This is the harness that I've used for 90% of my filming in 2019. And as you can see, it actually was a little bit higher, a little different angle. I kept tweaking the angle. I had a riser underneath it and did a lot of tweaks to it. We'll take a look at that here later in the video as I show you my setup and what I'm doing here. going into 2020. But I thought I'd let this video just roll because Welch Village is now closed. And this is kind of iconic that I actually decided to do a shootout at Welch Village. And hopefully this will become popular. Hopefully you can tell your friends about it. And we can get Welch Village up and running again, because these were some pretty sweet trails. I really wanted to put my back into it and see if I could help out with some building up here too. But kind of sad, but kind of looking back and saying, hey, I had a lot of fun here, and I got to test some products here, and I would definitely go and test products here again and do more videos like this if Welch Village was open. I'm using the local Red Wing trails for that now. So we'll catch you here in a second. Next.
Well, hello. Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I am coming at you here from my living room, dining room, whatever they want to call this. And I have my harness on. So I just wanted to show everybody what my harness looked like and my setup that I use. This is a Garmin harness. This is my main harness. I did a harness shootout so you can see the different harnesses that I've used, and then you can see them all back to back. But I wanted to show everybody. This is basically, I have it tilted way back, and I have it kind of custom filed in so it leans back even more, so when I'm on the bike, you know, it's tilted straight forward. Okay, so this is a close-up, a little bit better close-up of the harness. Obviously, I got the swivel thing there, and I load my, come on, in there, blah, 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 swing it all the way back up, and then obviously the riser, the clips in, out, and you can see that's what the riser looks like. I have it taped in, I'm going to place this tape with better tape. And I also have Velcro. These are Velcros. It's pretty sturdy. So that's kind of what I've done and made a makeshift. I really like the Garmin harness. The only thing I don't like is it flops like this. So now I got a Camelback, and I've actually fixed that. This first ride of the spring, I was actually using this where I actually clip this in and tighten it down, and it's not moving at all hardly. So the strap for the Camelback actually is helping me. So, and it hasn't been making too many noises, so that's the other thing I was concerned about. Obviously, this is my jacket with the zipper that was doing this in my Rochester videos, so that was fun. So I don't like to wear this shirt, but obviously you can see the harness in this shirt. So there we go.
Okay, that was weird.
This next video we'll see the quick release action of the Garmin harness mount, which I liked, but I haven't had a chance to use. As you can see, it actually works pretty good. However, I wouldn't recommend using it on the left. And then this happened.
Can't get it back in there. It's like I don't want to drop it. I wanted to like have a little. Let's get it back in there. So, even though this thing is detachable, it's not very friendly, but I'm not very used to it. So that's the bonus of getting your glove stuck in the latch. There we go.
That's the bonus of having the Garmin harness, is that I can detach it. And I realized that, but I haven't actually tried that before. So there will be more of that happening maybe. I forgot how fun this part was. I think I'm still on Mucker Mountain. Hit every single rock. Wow. I missed a little bit of it. I started it too late. I am just flying. That was a little bit of a flop. Yeah. That is the end right there. Oh. Whoa! I could have hit that a lot harder. And, oh well. Now I think I'm on the easy galloping something or another now. Yeah. And this is a fun trail with good speed.